This is my other garage. This is a single car garage that we have at the house. And it's where I keep the 67 Porsche, but I have no shelving. And I just have all this crap stacked here and no organization. I need a solution. Who can we call for a solution? Aha, I know who we can call. We're going to call our friends at Shuntong and get the Atlas 4-tier stackable shelving system that offers a 12,000 capacity. We'll figure if that's true or not. So let's unbox this monstrosity, build it, and put it right there. All right, first step, we'll take off the straps. Trash over there. A knife. Okay, that works too. Now, Louis from First Generation Garage has the same one. He said there should be 4 half racks and 2 long racks. The 2 long ones go on the top and the bottom. The 2 twos go in the middle. So let's see what we got here. That looks like 2 twos.
2 twos and a long.
Okay, so let's pull that one out. We'll just lean it up against something. Instruction booklet. Pull those out of the plastic. They're good. These must be the middle braces.
Yeah, something like that. Step 1. With a rubber mallet or hammer, take pieces A and pieces B and put in the very bottom 2 slots. We gotta flip that up right there. So it's upside down.
It's upside down?
Yeah.
Okay. Aha, so the
bigger part of the hole
goes to the top.
Always goes to the top.
All right, now how about these? How do they go on?
So this little circle,
Yep.
It's going to clip in right here and here.
On the outside or the inside?
Inside.
Okay, so
flip that over. This part, because then the rack.
That's how it goes on. So you kind of like that contour. The rack is going to sit on this part right here.
So since it's that long, let's just do this.
And another one of these. Got one of those. That's right. The big part goes to the top.
Yep. Let it go all the way to the top on this one.
So this one's gonna go like that. Let's think about this.
Your top, this will be your bottom.
Right. So then we have 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Another one.
Sure.
Okay. And again. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Yeah, there.
So move it over there.
Yeah, we could.
Okay.
Gotta get the back off.
Same procedure now for the other side.
Yep. bottom first, just to square us up here.
Okay. This one. Okay.
Just really ensure they're in there.
This is how you should see them. See how they are deep into there, that pocket? That's what you're looking for. That way you know. Oh shit, that's pretty stable. That's, look at that. That is pretty stout.
And then there's a little slit in each of these with the middles. Hook my slit, hook my slit. Hook my slit, hook my slit.
So now, Louis said the tall ones go on the top and the bottom.
Yep.
So, and it doesn't look like there's a right way or wrong way to put these on.
No.
Let's do this top one real quick.
Okay. Okay.
There's that one. Do this bottom one. Sweet. And that's easy enough. Now, I know you don't weigh quite 12,000 pounds, but stand on it. See what happens. Ooh, they could be beds. This would be great for bunk beds if you have lots of kids.
Probably, let's see.
I guess now my job is to get all this shit out so I can get that in. Yay. It's damn near 6 foot high. You can kind of see. Yeah, it's and sturdy too. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I think this is a winner chicken dinner if you're looking for a storage unit rack system for your garage. Now we get to fill it with stuff and see how that works out. Well, this new Atlas rack system definitely did the job. Got everything up and off the floor, off the sides, into a nice manageable situation. Gotta tell you, strong, sturdy, I like it. If you want to get one, there's a link down below to grab yourself one of these. You might make me a nickel or two off of Amazon, but hey, we're gonna have fun with this, and maybe we'll get a second one and put it on this way over here. So that's my review for the Atlas rack system. I like it a lot. I think you'll like it too.